Okay, guys, so I'm back with another one. This one is about what President Trump has done or his policies has done to weaken credit protection, guys. So if you are currently in credit repair, or even if you're not, you're going to want to know this stuff. You're not going to want to miss this. So, guys, the CFPB is still operating and functioning, but it's almost like limping with one leg because basically the CFPB has been under siege. Did you guys know that the CFPB used to have over 1,700 employees and they're down to 200? So if your CFPB complaints are moving like snail mail, that's why they're very much short-handed, but still operational. And this is not fair to consumers because the CFPB, they do a whole lot more than just escalate our disputes and kind of help us out when we're disputing. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is just that. And they've been doing a wonderful job. I mean, if you ask me. So let me go over a few things with you guys. I'm going to read you some stuff. This is literally an article that I wrote after doing my digging around. So let me share my screen. All right. Guys, I have like monitors everywhere. So if it looks like I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my monitor. All right, let me share this screen. Is this the right screen? I hope so. Yes. All right, so that it's bigger for you guys. Now I'm reading from here, but yeah, anyway. So, of course, like I just said, CFPB under siege, neutralized and dismantling. It's so sad. But like I said, we're still able to get some disputes through. It's not the end all be all. If you guys, if you know me, I'm all for a good workaround and I know how to do what I need to do when I need to get some stuff done. So, one major thing that is really causing problems in the credit repair industry is where debt collectors were given more power with less oversight. So, you know, the CFPB, they were all up in there. You know what I'm saying? They weren't able to sneeze without the CFPB being on it, making sure that things were done properly and legally. So this has been a problem with debt collectors, just doing all kinds of things that they should not be doing. Even, okay, so let me read this. Under the Trump era CFPB regulations that protected consumers from harassment were shelved. Do you understand that? Do you know how many cease and desist affidavits and things we've had to get notarized and sent out just because of this? I mean, this is crazy. Like, they're even sending people DMs on their social media. It's crazy. And the other thing is the rules reversed oversight rollback. Okay, so this is what this is, guys. The CFPB isn't just paralyzed, it's undoing protections. Why? Because the CFPB doesn't have the manpower, obviously, to do all the things that they were able to do. Now, in June 2025, the agency rescinded 67 pieces of long-standing guidance covering essential areas like credit reporting, fair lending, fintech oversight, and fee caps. Okay, so I wrote this article, guys, and it has all kinds of links in it so that you can like click on the link to kind of get to like the meat and potatoes of things, and just like I did. So I'm gonna leave the link for this article in the description of this video so you guys can go and check it out yourself. But just to keep moving, guys, other things that this thing is really affecting is credit bureaus face no real consequences. Do you know how many, like the stall letters have significantly increased, and we've really had to go in real hard to fight outside of CFPB to get the job done because like we've been doing more suing this year than we've ever done. It's ridiculous, but hey, it is what it is. We have to do what we got to do. We got to keep the numbers up, keep the deletions going, and kind of keep going for our clients. So we do what we have to do. Now, payday lenders got a free pass. Now, those they need to shut all of them down, but I'm not going to get there. I'm not going to go there. That's my opinion. Discrimination protections will roll back. The Trump CFPB restructure or dismantle offices focus on enforcing, listen to this, the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, the Home Mortgage Disclosure Act. Result, lenders could discriminate based on race, gender, or zip code with minimal oversight, disappropriately harming Black, Latino, and underserved communities in housing, auto loans, and credit access. So listen, it's a lot, guys. It's really a lot to unpack and uncover. So it's all in this article. And I will tell you this now. If you are disputing and you're escalating through the CFPB, filing complaints, and you just don't seem to be getting anywhere, this is what we're doing, guys. We are disputing through the client's state attorneys general. We're hitting the registered agents of this company. We're doing intent to sues, and I mean real serious intent to sues. Like, we're really going in really hard, hitting these compliance managers with these inaccuracies to force these companies to do the right thing. So don't be discouraged if you're having trouble with the CFPB and things are not moving along. It's not that they're not, doing their job. They're doing the best that they can. I mean, 200 employees, 1,500 employees gone in less than a year. That is crazy, So keep going, guys. And if you have any questions whatsoever, definitely I would sign up for Quick Questions with Tina. That's all in the description of this video. Happy to answer any questions to help out as best as I can, when I can, for sure. And guys, if this video has helped you and added any value to you, please like, share, and comment value in the comments to keep this video going around. And guys, a real quick announcement. We will officially be launching Dispute Champs Academy on August the 29th, guys. It's officially launching. It is packed with 11 courses of my whole 19 years of credit disputing expertise, information. I'm literally just giving away everything I have. We also, for paid courses, you have access to Dispute Champs Library, which has everything in it. Also, there's a letter generator there to kind of help you with getting your dispute letters together and creating them. So Dispute Champs Academy is going to be awesome. I'm super excited about it, and you guys are going to be so surprised at how super affordable it is. So right now we are running a pre-sale for all the 11 courses for an extremely low price, and that is going to be in the link in this description as well if you want to check that out. So guys, until the next video, we will talk soon. Bye.